know, being here visiting the snakes feels like visiting some of my cousins. Where's the one here? I don't see one here. Oh, there, it's big.
That's what she said.
This one is huge.
So nice.
It just lost the skin. Yeah? That's a nice handbag.
And the snakes like people, but they're cutting the cold. Snakes like you, they're cutting the cold.
Mozambique spitting cobra. I can't see the cobra. You can see the skin though. It's also shedding its skin. It's hiding somewhere. Forest cobra. This one I can't see as well. It must be hiding. And then there's a black mamba.
In the corner. Oh yeah. Whoa, there's a snail. And it's shredded its skin.
It's hiding behind the rocks.
This one's a small one. This one's a small one. Whoa, it's a long one.
Brown house snake. I think it's because of the season, because all of them seem to be shedding their skin. Green mamba.
Mama! There's some snakes here. Come look here, I can read some. Look at this one. What's this one? Mama, this one looks like a gagoon adder.
How many human beings have eaten?
Okay, but not the
But
crocodiles here.
what's the human being doing in the crocodile's place?
No, the earth is a human being's place.
No, how many? But how many do you kill per week?
35.
35.
35 per day.
35 crocodiles are killed per. How many crocodiles do you have here?
We have more than 8,000.
How are they killed? Do you fight them and then whoever wins?
No, we don't fight them. What we do, we have electric teasers that makes them unconscious. While they are unconscious, that's when we cut them.
Like how you cut a chicken's head.
Yes, just the same. We just cut the
And
head
then
and
what do you
blood
do with
comes
the skin?
out.
Can we buy the skin from here?
No, I don't think so.
But the oil?
The oil, yes, the oil we have.
We have the oil.
Yes.
What are the benefits?
It's a multi-purpose. Yes, it works like for any other disease.
Yeah, because I heard it's good for stretch marks and also
Good
it
for
can
stretch
make
marks,
my
for TB, for asthma.
and
for-
it can make me nice and tight and warm.
Yes.
I heard that. That's why I came. There's a, it's there.
Down
That's
there.
what I came here for. It can make yours smaller as well, because that's what I want with mine. I want it a bit smaller, tighter. Do you want that? For yours? It will help you.
Does it have any purpose for hair and stuff?
For hair,
Yes, for hair, jibs,
hair.
and it's not easy to get, but it's the meat's good.
Very good.
Nice. And the tail, because I know you're not supposed to touch a crocodile's tail, but can you eat the tail?
She will tell you
The tail.
This is the second
The tail is the most nice here.
That's what I heard, but I was just, hey, we're gonna have crocodile tail and rape.
Okay.
there
Crocodile
in the
tail and
menu?
rib. No, it's not there on the menu.
But it's
But
you
you can
hook me up.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm having tilapia as well.
Halala.
That's what I can eat. It's safer.
It's safer.
Let's.
That's all?
Yeah. But when you send our chicken, try and cut it into smaller pieces, like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so that we can snack and share it. Okay. Yeah.
And drinks.
Oh, to drink. Anything.
Tell them the tilapia.
Do you do snails? Not snails, snakes. Do you cook any snails?
No.
Any snakes?
No.
Snakes.
No.
Okay.
At that point, I was not going to sit at this table.
They do snakes in China, Japan.
No, I'm just saying.
But it's not a snake that's gonna bite you. It's not live.
No,
it's
that's
dead.
Exactly. Your life. You're so adventurous. It's beyond me.
If other human beings can do it, why can't I do it? When I survived apartheid, I can't be killed by eating crocodile or eating snakes. I survived pig porter. I survived pig porter.
Okay.
And
They have rape.
Yeah, I ordered rape already.
Oh, okay.
And Nzima.
Nzima? Okay.
It's in Shima, man.
Nshima.
It's in Shima.
Nshima.
Yes.
Is it the sound of the crocodiles that we're hearing? Do you get to see them having sex?
Yeah, in July.
In July. So if I come in July, I'll see them. Or they like it when it's not too cold, when it's not too hot.
Yeah, because mating takes place in the water.
In the water. So they don't do it outside. Oh, that's not much fun. So in the water we can't see them.
Because in the water the female has to float in there so that it can manage to lift the tail.
And then you see the male doing the cheeky cheek.
Yeah.
I must come. What if you had to slaughter a crocodile for your ancestors? Would you? Oh, there's one moving. Oh, now it's going to take another 10 hours before he moves. Nature is beautiful though. Look at the nest. There's a gated estate in fencing. Oh, we missed him. He just changed. Look at the direction now. We were busy looking at something else. Oh, with the mouth open as well. If I drop my phone, will one of you go and get it for me, please?
Yeah, I'll go.
Were they just feeding them live chicken? Look at the feathers.
Yeah, so the suppose being seized.
Oh, that's what. And it's pelile manje. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop my phone and I need one of you to go and get it for me.
And keep it after that.
Closed its mouth. And crocodiles are so lazy. It must be a slow death when you're being eaten by them.
Not when they're hungry.
Wouldn't you like to go and swim with it?
I would. Nah, man.
So you guys are familiar with fishing. This is crocodiling. This is how you catch crocodiles so that you can cook them and eat them.
If there's one thing that is slow in Zambia, it's food. It takes too long to get ready.
But then because it's organic, it's not pre-prepared, it's not microwaved. Yes. Ooh! How nice!
But
This is rape and ntima. Yes, chicken.
This is
No, crocodile. Crocodile tail. Crocodile tail. Chicken.
It tastes awesome. Oh, it tastes divine.
Fish and fish. How lovely. And there's more food coming.
And is there salt and vinegar?
No.
You have salt, my sister, and vinegar. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
See, these people don't know things.
Hey.
And it's not even expensive, the crocodile.
Can I?